Come on. Come on, get out of the car. Come. Come. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Have to go to work. Come on. Nico. Patico. Come on. Come on. You know what? You are absolutely horrible. Come on. You know I want to go to work. That's why you won't get out of the car. Come on. Come on. Well, give me your hand then. Come on. Really? This how you gonna do me? Nico! Come on. Really? You just gonna lay down like that? That's how you gonna handle this? That's where you're going.